Hey guys, it's Tim with Tim's Tech again, and today we're going to take a look at the Roku Express. Got this one for $27 with tax and everything off of Amazon. So let's get into it. Alright, just unpacking the box. Here we got the Roku Express. It is a media streamer for your Disney Plus. If you look there, all your apps you can get. I'm sure there's a few more, but this is the box. HDMI, you can do Wi-Fi. What's included? The streamer, there's a remote with it, AAAs that go into the remote, high-speed HDMI, USB for the power, and the power adapter. And here's the back showing that you can do free TV, live TV, stuff like that. I don't know how good these are. I've never used one. I've heard a few things about them. Not good ones, but I want to see it for myself. So we'll be back, and after I get back, we'll have unboxed it because I need two hands to unbox it. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, here's it out of the box. We got the remote here. It has your, pull the remote out. Sorry about the view, guys. Here's the remote. See if it'll focus. Alright guys, after a little finagling, we got it focused. You can see you got your home button, your back button, your direction keys, you select. You got your back. You got your different app buttons down here, play, pause, stuff like that. This uses two AAAs. You got the streaming device here. You can see you get the RF receiver there. This blank little thing. HDMI. If it'll focus. HDMI, you got your power. You got your reset switch there. And you get the power brick with it there. You got your HDMI fast one. You got your power cable there, the micro USB. It comes with the user manual. This quick start. That's what comes into the Roku box when you get it. And in the next one, in the next section, we will set it up.